Good morning, everybody. Today, we're going to reset the oil maintenance light on the Lexus LS. This is something that you should know, and you can do it yourself at home and never spend more money than is necessary for your next oil change. So, let me guide you through the procedure. Alright, now we will reset the maintenance light on the 2007 to 2017 Lexus LS460. It's pretty simple. If with most Toyotas, you're going to hit the trip button and hold it down, but with this Lexus, you're actually going to hold down the reset button. So now all you need to do is Step 1. Hit the start button 2 times with your foot off the brake to turn on the ignition. Step 2. Press the trip button until you see Trip A on the screen. Step 3. Turn off the car. Step 4. Now, hold the reset button while hitting the start button 2 times with the foot off the brake. Step 5. Keep holding that button until you see resetting the maintenance data is complete and you're done. On the 5th generation Lexus LS500, you can reset the oil maintenance light by using the steering button. So let's go and do that together. Step 1. Press the start button 2 times with the foot off the brake. Step 2. Then push the back button to clear any message and get to the main screen. Step 3. Next, you'll use the directional pad to move to the right to the gear icon. Step 4. After that, you will go down and find the vehicle settings and press the center button to select. Step 5. Scroll down and select the schedule maintenance or oil maintenance. Step 6. Finally, select Yes to execute the maintenance data reset and you're done. So that's pretty much it. I hope this information was helpful. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more car maintenance tips and tutorials. Anyway, thanks for tuning in and see you next time.